Driving from Tehran to Isfahan takes about 5-6 hours. The route, primarily along the Tehran-Qom-Isfahan freeway, passes through the arid yet scenic central plateau of Iran. Along the way, you can stop at Qom, a significant religious city, and Kashan, known for its historical houses and beautiful gardens. Naqsh-e Square, located in Isfahan, Iran, is one of the largest city squares in the world and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Built between 1598 and 1629 during the Safavid dynasty, this historical square is surrounded by monumental buildings representing significant aspects of Persian architecture and culture. These include the stunning Shah Mosque with its intricate tilework, the elegant Ali Qapu Palace with its grand balconies offering views of the square, the chic Lotfala Mosque known for its exquisite interior design, and the bustling Kisari Gate leading to the Isfahan Grand Bazaar. Naqsh-e Square, with its vast open space and beautiful gardens, serves as a vibrant center of social, political, and economic life in Isfahan. Pol, also known as the Ala Verdi Khan Bridge, is an iconic bridge in Isfahan, Iran. Built between 1599 and 1602 during the Safavid dynasty under the reign of Shah Abbas. It is one of the most famous examples of Persian architecture. The bridge spans the Zayanda River with its 33 arches, hence the name Pol, which translates to 33 bridge. The bridge not only serves as a crucial connection between different parts of the city, but also as a popular gathering place for locals and tourists alike. With its impressive length and harmonious design, Pol is particularly enchanting at night when its arches are illuminated, reflecting beautifully in the water below. The bridge stands as a testament to the engineering ingenuity and aesthetic sensibilities of its time, remaining a cherished landmark in Isfahan. Vank Cathedral, also known as the Holy Savior Cathedral, is a stunning Armenian church located in the New Julfa district of Isfahan, Iran. Built between 1606 and 1655, it is one of the most prominent and historically significant churches in Iran. The architecture of Vank Cathedral beautifully blends elements of Armenian and Persian design, creating a unique and captivating structure. The cathedral's interior is adorned with intricate frescoes and gilded carvings depicting biblical scenes and Armenian cultural motifs. The ceiling showcases a breathtaking series of paintings that combine Christian iconography with Persian floral patterns. Additionally, the complex houses a museum and a library that preserve numerous valuable artifacts, manuscripts, and historical documents related to the Armenian community in Iran. Vank Cathedral stands as a testament to the rich cultural and religious diversity of Isfahan, attracting visitors with its architectural splendor and historical depth. Chehel Sotoon, meaning 40 columns, is a magnificent pavilion in Isfahan, Iran, renowned for its stunning architecture and historical significance. Constructed in the 17th century during the reign of Shah Abbas II, this palace was designed as a ceremonial hall and a place for royal receptions and entertainment. The name 40 columns derives from the 20 slender wooden columns supporting the entrance pavilion, which, when reflected in the long pool in front of the palace, create the illusion of 40 columns. Inside, the palace features beautiful frescoes, intricate mirrorwork, and exquisite tile work that depict various historical events and cultural themes. The surrounding garden, part of the UNESCO-listed Persian Gardens, enhances the serene and majestic ambiance of the site. Chehel Sotoon stands as a symbol of Persian art and architecture, drawing visitors with its blend of beauty, history, and cultural richness.